Hi guys, I just wanted to do a quick video since it's the 1st of February. I'm going to go through and talk you through what I had for the bath bombs of the month for January and the soap of the month for January. So I'm just going to explain a little bit about it. If you were a member, then you would have gotten some information in your package about each product, and I'm not going to go through the whole information because it's kind of special just for club members, so they get all that information, but I'll show you. One of the bath bombs was the Peach Melba bath bomb, and it looks like this. Hope you can see it. Right, there we go. And this smells really good. It's raspberries, peach, and vanilla ice cream. And there is some history of why I chose Peach Melba, but again, you would have to be a club member to know about that. Gotta keep some secrets. So anyway, the next one is the Bootlegger bath bomb. Whoa, sorry. They're really hard, so it's not a problem. Anyway, Bootlegger bath bomb. And again, there was a Bootlegger Day in January. You can Google it if you want. And there's a whole sort of little history behind that. And then the next one was Blueberry. And there was a Blueberry Pancake Day in January as well, so that was this one. And then January was Oatmeal Month, I think. Yeah, Oatmeal Month. So January is Oatmeal Month, so that's why I made an oatmeal bath bomb. And the sample that came along with the bath bombs was a cube of this bath melt, which is, it's cocoa butter, shea butter. It has some salt in it, some baking soda, citric acid, and some ground oatmeal, and it smells so amazing. I wanted to eat them. So it's like a vanilla sugar maple cream. It's what vanilla sugar maple butter bath melt. So each person got a sample of this, and then the idea was that you could take the sample of this and the oatmeal bath bomb and the blueberry bath bomb, and then you could have an oatmeal blueberry pancake because there was Blueberry Pancake Day, so you could have all of those together and that would be really yummy. So that was what I suggested in the letter to the club members. So anyway, these were the 4 bath bombs for the Bath Bomb of the Month Club for January. Peach Melba, Oatmeal, Bootlegger, and Blueberry. And I hope everyone enjoyed them that got theirs, and I have some really fun ones planned for February, or already made, but shipping out for February in just a few days. If you still want to be part of the club, you can still join and you'll get the February shipment. And that will ship out February. It'll ship out February 7th. So you still have like 6 days. Okay. So the soap of the month for January was this Golden Korn handmade soap. And this is a beer soap. I made the mold for the little corn on top, and if you watch my stories on Instagram, then you would have seen that. And here it is. So anyway, it has beer from the Annandale Brewery, the Spilled Grain Brewhouse, and I have their little paper here that explains about the different kinds of beer. And this one that I used is their, I have no idea how to say this, but it's like Kinnikinnick cream, I think. Cream ale. It's a cream ale. Anyway, so this is a American lager, and it has a lawnmower-esque beer with a flavorful, refreshing malt notes, and it has a sweet corn-like aroma. So when I heard that it had a sweet corn-like aroma, that's where I got the corn idea, and I decided that I had some corn silks saved from summer that I dried, and I ground those up, and I put corn silks, and I put hops, ground hops, because it's a beer soap. And then also I had some calendula petals, and I ground those up and put those in the soap too. So it has a lot of ingredients going on in it. It's got Minnesota beer, Minnesota corn silks, Minnesota calendula that I grew myself, and some Minnesota hops, dried hops. So we got lots of Minnesota ingredients. And this scent is a, it's kind of like a, almost like a cookie oatmeal sort of scent, and then it also has like a green grass or a sweet corn leaf scent. That's what I was going for. I think it smells really good. It's kind of a neat scent, very fresh. Like I can see this being popular in the spring. So got that. And then, yeah, there was some more information in your letter. So if you're a club member, you know what I'm talking about. And if you want to join, I have a very fun one planned for February that I'm going to be shipping out again on the 7th of February. So got a few days to join. And that is all I have to share with you. So thank you everyone that is a club member and everyone that will join in the future. We're going to have a lot of fun.